Nature, the gentlest mother, impatient of no child, the feeblest or the waywardest, her admonition mild. In forest and the hill, by traveler is heard, restraining rampant squirrel, or too impetuous bird. How fair her conversation, a summer afternoon, her household, her assembly, and when the sun goes down. Her voice among the isles incites the timid prayer of the minutest cricket, the most unworthy flower. When all the children sleep, she turns as long away as will suffice to light her lamps, then, bending from the sky, with infinite affection and infiniter care, her golden finger on her lip wills silence everywhere. The sun just touched the morning, happy thing, supposed that he had come to dwell, and life would all be spring. She felt herself supremer, a raised, ethereal thing, henceforth, for her, what holiday, meanwhile, her wheeling king. Trailed, slow, along the orchards, his haughty, spangled hems, leaving a new necessity, the want of diadems. The morning, fluttered, staggered, felt feebly, for her crown, her unanointed forehead, henceforth, her only one. Pygmy seraphs, gone astray, velvet people from Vevey, balls from some lost summer day. Bees' exclusive coterie, Paris could not lay the fold, belted down with emerald. Venice could not show a check of a tint so lustrous meek, never such an ambuscade. As of briar and leaf displayed, for my little damask maid. I had rather wear her grace, than an earl's distinguished face, I had rather dwell like her. Then be Duke of Exeter, royalty enough for me, to subdue the bumblebee. This is my letter to the world, that never wrote to me, the simple news that nature told. With tender majesty her message is committed to hands I cannot see, for love of her. Sweet countrymen, judge tenderly of me.